to today's workout. We have got a full body strength day. It's going to be broken up into 3 supersets. And yeah, that's about it. I have got a set of 5 kilo dumbbells and 3 kilo dumbbells for today. That's what I'm going to use. Switch it up in between those two. All right, first up, we are going into a sumo squat series. Wide leg stance. Dumbbell right in the middle here, and we're coming down. So drop that dumbbell down towards the floor. We're leaning back into our heels here. Three more. And 1, staying in this position, drop down into pulses. We've got 20 pulses. Five, 2, 1. All right, little break in between. Short little rest. Okay, let's get straight back into it. Shoulders back, wide legs, drop that dumbbell down. If you want to get a little bit further, you can have your dumbbell sideways. Just allows you to sink that little bit deeper into the movement. 3 more. 2, 1, staying down. Halfway. 2, 1. Should be feeling it already just after those first 2 sets. 2 down and 2 to go. Okay, next one. Shoulders back, don't let those shoulders curl forward. We've got them back nice and tall. Last 3, 2, and 1. Staying down. 20 here. Small movements. Three, 2, 1. One more round here. Exercise realized. Okay, let's get into that last set. Shoulders back, driving through the heels. 10 reps here. Three, 2, 1, staying down. 10, 2, 1. Whew. All done with our sumo squats. Killer. Okay, next up, we have got a deadlift. So we've got single leg deadlift here, using our back foot to stabilize us. And we're just bringing that dumbbell down by our side. Slight squeeze when you come up, but not squeezing so much that you arch your back. It's just coming up and slight squeeze through the glute, not the back. Switch legs. 2 to go. And 1. Coming down to the floor. We're moving into a plank here. 30 seconds. Up on those toes, at least for the first part. If you need to, you can drop down to your knees through the set. Don't let that bum come up. Don't let that bum drop down. Right in the middle, nice and strong. 10 seconds. And 1. Short rest, then we're moving straight back into those deadlifts. Okay, grab your dumbbell. Shoulders back. Hinge at the hips. Two, 1 more. Switching legs. Four, 2, last one. 1. Coming down to the floor, straight into our plank. Nice and strong through the core here. Five seconds. And 1. Grabbing that dumbbell, straight into our next set. Two, 1 more. Switching legs. And 1, coming down to the floor, straight into our plank. Thirty seconds here. Last 10. And 1. 1 more round here. Okay, let's grab that dumbbell. Shoulders back. Leg there to support you. Driving through that heel. Slight squeeze of the glute, not the back. And 1, switching legs. Four to go. Two, 1 more. And 1. Down to the floor, last plank. 30 seconds here. Don't let that bum sink down. Ten seconds. And 1. Okay, we've got one more superset here. I'm grabbing 3 kilo dumbbells for this one. We're coming to the side, curl, and back. Other side, curl. Shoulders are back, core is braced. One more. Coming down to the floor now. We've got a slow mountain climber, bringing that knee to the opposite elbow. It's not a race. Slow and controlled. 4 to go. 2, 1. Short break in between. 3 more rounds here. Okay, let's go. Out to the side, curl up. One more each side. 1. Down to the floor. Straight into our mountain climbers. Four to go. 2 down, 2 to go. Slow and controlled reps through those ones. You'll feel them right through your core, right through your obliques, through the shoulders, stabilizing you. Last 2 sets of the day. Let's get into it. Three, last 2 here. 2, 1, straight into those mountain climbers. Halfway. 2 and 1. One more set here. Then we're completely finished for today. Ta. Okay, coming up. Let's get into that last set. Halfway. Strong and controlled right to the end. Last 2. And 1. Down to the floor. 12 reps. Last 2. And 1. All finished. Whew, solid workout. You even did well. See you for the next one.